Even though my feet are killing me without an end in sight.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be opening up another ring box. It's a new month, a new box. So let's open this up and see what is inside. Let's see. Okay. I'm gonna try not to cut myself in this one like I did in the other one. But let's see what we got this month. This is what it looks like. Beautifully packaged. Okay, now we have a note card, and this just shows us all the items that are inside this box here. And in this box it says that we have a Mrs. necklace designed by the Ring Boxes, and that retails for $29. We also have a diamond ring balloon, which was created by the Ring Boxes as well. Retail value $8.95. We also have a cake topper, a cupcake topper created by the Ring Box. Retail value $8. A bride-to-be sash by the Ring Boxes, $22 value. A Mrs. shirt, I love getting shirts by them, designed before the rings at a $25 value. And then we also have a diamond ring ice tray by the Ring Boxes, and the retail value is $8.99. So I'm about to show you all those great things that are in this box. And here is everything in here. And I'm just gonna open this up for you and show you all the great items. Here is my July 2019 ring box. This is a monthly subscription. Here we have the Miss to Mrs. necklace in gold. And we also have these really adorable little diamond cake toppers, which would be great for a bridal shower. So maybe I'll use that for my bridal shower. We also have this adorable bride sash. I'm probably going to be wearing this on my bridal shower day as well, even my bachelorette party. Here we have some diamond ring ice cube rubber tray, and I'm sure you can even use this for chocolate because it's rubber, and maybe use it as like little party favors. We also have a diamond blow up balloon. I might use this as well at my bridal shower. And then we have this really soft cotton Mrs. tee, and this is a V-neck. And then along with all of this, you get a recipe card with 2 recipes on it. And here we have one for an easy turkey bolognese, and we also have one for a turkey taco lettuce wrap. It tells you the ingredients, how to cook it, and a prep time. And then it also gives you a suggestion, like this one gives you a suggestion for wine with this dinner. And this one is Mark West Pinot Noir. And that is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you are new to my channel, I'd love for you to subscribe, so make sure you hit that subscribe button twice so you get notified when my next videos come out. Have a great day, and I'll see you guys soon.